Imagine a bustling city full of life and activity. Now think of this city inside your body. That's your gut. Yes, the gut, often underestimated, plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. It's where food is broken down, nutrients are absorbed, and waste is expelled. But did you know that your gut is also home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad, that significantly influence your health? These gut bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome, affect everything from your digestion to your immune system, and even your mood. When this bacterial balance is disrupted, it can lead to various health problems such as digestive issues, weight gain, and even mental health disorders. In recent years, there's been a growing interest in natural and dietary solutions for improving digestion and gut health. People are realizing that taking care of their gut isn't just about avoiding stomach upset. It's about supporting their overall health. So the question is, how can we keep this bustling city, our gut, healthy and thriving? The answer lies in what we eat. Your diet is the fuel for your gut. What you eat can significantly influence the balance of bacteria in your gut. Picture a bustling city. That's your gut. The citizens, a diverse community of bacteria, fungi, and viruses known as the gut microbiota. Your diet is like the city's infrastructure, directly affecting who thrives and who doesn't. Consuming a variety of foods rich in fiber, probiotics, and essential nutrients can help maintain a healthy balance of these gut citizens. Foods high in fiber like whole grains and leafy greens act as a fuel for your beneficial gut bacteria, aiding digestion and promoting regular bowel movements. Probiotics, found in foods like yogurt and kefir, introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut, enhancing its overall health. Meanwhile, a variety of nutrients from a balanced diet ensure the gut lining stays strong and healthy. So, what are these magical foods that can boost your gut health? Let's delve into them. First up is yogurt, a powerhouse of probiotics, those friendly bacteria that keep your gut happy. Probiotics are essential in maintaining a balanced gut flora, which in turn enhances digestion, absorption, and overall gut health. So next time you're at the grocery store, consider adding some yogurt to your cart. Next on our list is a root with a kick, ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger is a potent ally in easing digestive discomfort. It works by stimulating digestion, relieving symptoms like nausea and bloating. So, whether you brew it in a tea or grate it over your favorite dish, ginger can provide a tasty boost to your digestive health. Moving on, we have whole grains. High in dietary fiber, whole grains are essential for regular bowel movements. But their role goes beyond just keeping things moving. Dietary fiber also promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a healthier digestive system. So, swap your white bread for whole grain, and your gut will thank you. Our fourth food is one you might already have in your salad, leafy greens. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, these greens support digestive health in multiple ways. Leafy greens like spinach and kale can improve gut motility, preventing constipation, and promoting overall gut health. So don't skimp on the greens, they're not just filler. Lastly, we have kefir, a fermented milk drink that's teeming with probiotics. In fact, kefir contains a wider range of probiotics than yogurt, making it a superfood for your gut. Regular consumption of kefir can enhance your immune system and support gut health, making it a great addition to your diet. These 5 foods, yogurt, ginger, whole grains, leafy greens, and kefir, all play a key role in promoting better digestion and overall gut health. Remember, a healthy gut contributes to a healthy body, so it's worth paying attention to what you eat. Now that you know what to eat, let's talk about how to incorporate these foods into your daily diet. Incorporating these gut-friendly foods into your diet is easier than you think. Start your day with a probiotic punch by adding yogurt or kefir to your breakfast. For lunch, why not toss some leafy greens into a salad? And for dinner, whole grains like brown rice or quinoa can be a hearty side. Don't forget to sprinkle some ginger into your meals for that extra digestive boost. Simple swaps can make a big difference. Remember, a happy gut equals a happy you. So, to recap, your gut health is vital, and the right diet can make all the difference. By incorporating foods such as yogurt, ginger, whole grains, leafy greens, and kefir into your meals, you're not only promoting healthy digestion, but also enhancing your overall well-being. These natural solutions can help balance your gut bacteria, stimulate digestion, and enhance your immune system. So, why not give it a try? Here's to a healthier, happier gut and a healthier, happier you. Until next time, eat well and live well. And live.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on natural solutions and cures.